The most important day in the life of a system is the day it's installed, so ensuring that all of the components are working together. You can take the approach of just simply swapping out the furnace, or you can look at the whole system and make certain that it's working well together and getting you the result that you're after. You know, many homeowners have just changed the box, just changed the furnace, and there's so many repercussions for doing so. A 97% furnace, for example, you can install a 97% furnace, and if you do not have the proper airflow and ductwork coming off of that system, it'll operate at 57% efficiency. So what would your expectation be? If I were to get a 97% furnace, I would want 97% efficiency. There's really four main factors when selecting a new home comfort system. The first two are not your choice. The second two are. So number one is your home is going to determine what size system that your home requires. So we'll do an engineering analysis, we'll measure the windows, we'll measure the thickness of the walls and the size of the rooms, and your home is going to actually tell us what size system it needs. The second factor is not a choice either, and that's code compliance. Safety is an expectation for us, and state regulation and city codes and those type of things will determine how the system must be set up when it comes to the safety features and things like that, and we won't sacrifice safety. So safety, code compliance, that's not a choice for us. The next two are absolutely your choice, and two of the most important when it comes to designing the system. Number three choice is the environmental choices around the system. You get to choose what the efficiency is. You get to choose whether it has a humidification system or indoor air quality products, germicidal lamps to disinfect the air, filtration to remove the particles and dust, if you have allergies and asthma. You get to determine whether it's a geothermal or a heat pump, and all of those are environmental choices. The fourth, and one of the most important choices, is the people choice. You get to choose who installs that system. You get to choose what kind of guarantees and warranties that company's going to provide you. You get to choose the type of people that you're going to allow into your home and install that system and set it up. So those are the four main factors when looking at investing in a new home comfort system. How do I select the right heating and cooling system? Again, there's several factors that come into designing a system, and it's really based upon your needs and wants. Do you have allergies? Do you have asthma? Do you have hot and cold spots in the home? The size of the system is important. Your home will actually tell us through what we call a load calculation or engineering analysis, by taking measurements of your windows and your insulation, the thickness of your walls, and the square footage of your home. That will tell us what size system, and then you get to pick from a wide range of efficiencies based upon how much you're spending on your energy bills each month and how low you'd like to get them. So you've got indoor air quality options such as humidification. You've got filtration systems that remove the particulates from the air to provide you cleaner, fresher, healthier air. We've got variable speed motors, and we've got heat pumps, and a smorgasbord of options that gives us the opportunity to make certain that we can design a system that exactly meets your needs. I mean, really, when you put it all together, there's probably 50,000 different options when you take each different home and each different client and what their wants and needs are. So we design the systems around what you're after.